Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MediaPad T5, and today I will show you how to insert a SD card and SIM card into this device. So mind you that this is the LTE version. There's also the Wi-Fi version, which I assume only has the SD slot without the SIM. So to basically insert it, on the left side you have a little tray. So take a SIM ejector like I have one right here and just push it in there, and you will see the tray pop out. And then you can just take it all the way out like so, and place the memory card in here like so. As you can see, it's laying flush, and the SIM card as well with the cutout on the bottom right side like this. And then while holding them so they don't actually fall out, you can slide it back in here. There we go. Took a little bit finicking. Okay, so slide it all the way in. And as you can see, there's the SIM card. It requires a pin, so I'm just going to put it in. And it automatically as well changed the language, I think. So just going to go change the language back. Okay, so from now the language has been changed, and let's give it a moment. Okay, so as you've seen, the SIM card is already working, and now one thing left is also storage. So let's go into storage, and you should find, as you can see, SD card, which is the 32 gigabytes. So as you can see, both of them are working just fine, and that is how you would insert a SIM card and SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.